Understanding Pardon the Wait in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase, pardon the wait. This phrase is often heard in everyday conversations, and understanding its usage and context is key for English language learners. So, let's get started. Pardon the wait is a polite expression used to apologize for a delay. It's commonly used in service industries, like restaurants or customer service, but can also be found in informal settings. The word, pardon, is a formal way of saying, sorry, and the wait refers to the time someone has been waiting. This phrase shows acknowledgement of the delay and conveys respect for the person's time. Formal situations. In formal settings, such as at a bank or a high-end restaurant, staff might use pardon the wait to maintain professionalism while addressing any delay. It's a way of ensuring the customer feels valued and respected. In formal situations. In more casual settings, like with friends or in small shops, the phrase can still be used. It's a way of lightening the mood while acknowledging that you've kept someone waiting. While pardon the wait is common, there are variations like sorry to keep you waiting or thank you for your patience. These phrases serve the same purpose but might be used based on personal preference or the formality of the situation. In some cultures, acknowledging delays is crucial for maintaining good relationships. In English-speaking countries, using pardon the wait demonstrates good manners and an understanding of polite society. It's a small phrase that can have a big impact on how others perceive your courtesy and professionalism. Pardon the wait is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of politeness and respect in English-speaking cultures. Whether you're in a formal or casual setting, using this phrase can greatly improve communication. Hope this helps in your English learning journey. Remember, every phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. See you in the next video.